Welcome along, people, to another one of my little videos. Yet again I find myself out for a little spin, and this time I really have no idea where I'm going. I know where I'm going initially, but where I'm going to end up, no clue. Some time ago I mentioned in one of my videos about if someone had an idea of a route or a place that I should ride, or if someone would like to meet up for a spin, that they should message me. Well, Dr. Andy is one of those guys who did message me, so I'm meeting up with Dr. Andy, and he's going to bring me for a spin somewhere. I have no idea, so we'll see where we end up. So jump on the back and let's follow Dr. Andy for a spin. Let's roll the intros. I wonder where we're going to go. Will it involve coffee? I bloody well hope so. Oh, beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. I can't wait to get my new motorcycle clothing and throw this shit heap away. I think that's how the song goes, isn't it? I'm sure it is. I actually rang up the company that's making my new suit, as effectively I can't contain myself. But keeping in mind they are a small manufacturing company, and it is a bespoke, made-to-measure item. You gotta wait for the goods to turn up. So yeah, there is progress has been made, so hopefully, all being well, I shouldn't have to wait too much longer. Yay! Crossing the border into Suffolk. How are we doing? There you go. Coffee has been drank. Andy is hiding around the back. You've heard me talk about him. Say hello, Andy. So, you are the leader.
So it's going to Suffolk Water Park.
Okay, cool.
Been there before?
Nope.
Okay. So we've got a nice little cross-country run.
Is there coffee involved?
There could be coffee involved.
I think it's essential.
There's a cafe there.
Fabulous.
That's why I mentioned it.
Wonderful. Good lad. So, welcome along now to our magical mystery tour. Kind of part of the reason that Andy and I have made acquaintance is because Andy and I are both patrons to Teapot One's channel. But I did a video quite some time ago about a house for Essex and Willie Lott's cottage, Flatford Mill. And it turns out that Andy was one of the guys who used to work down at Flatford Mill, so he left a comment in the comment section, and yeah, so we've made acquaintance through my channel, so it's quite nice. So he also subscribes to my channel. I did say if anybody thought there was a place that I should ride, that I would go along with them and I would go for a ride, and here is Andy taking me at my word, and we are now going for a ride together. Social media at its best. Love it. It's beautiful through this way. It's absolutely lovely. So he did say that he was going to take me on a little back roads adventure, so I have no idea where we're going now. Oh, that's a sneaky one. if you can see it on the camera, to our left, that is Lavenham village. A lot of artists come to Lavenham to paint the high street, and if you've never seen Lavenham, or if you don't know why they would do that, you'll see in a moment.
Lavenham's parish church is one of the largest in England.
Very, very beautiful town. Absolutely lovely. Really, really lovely. Okay, obviously it goes further on up that way, but we're going to turn off right. I've got no control over where we're going. Doesn't disappoint though, does it? Isn't it lovely? Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of years old. I love the way the walls belly out, and relatively speaking unspoiled. There you go, that was Lavenham. Cheers, Andy. Where are we going now? I'm trying to work out if I've ever been on this road before, and I'm not sure, if I'm honest. Had a comment on the last video I posted. The friend of mine in Germany, Uwe Schnabels, commented that he liked seeing all of the architecture and the back roads through Essex. So hopefully, Uwe, you're enjoying this one through Suffolk. If some of these old buildings could tell stories. Oh wow, this is proper lovely. It's a ride that keeps on giving. I love it when you see signs on some of these buildings that have been, obviously they were something in the past, but now they're just a private dwelling. So it'll say the old priory or the old forge. It's just nice. It tells you what the building was, and it adds a little bit of history to the building. Another picturesque village. I'm sure I came through this way on my motorbike with Martin, yeah, and some of the other guys I've ridden with before. We went up to an airfield up in Suffolk, Second World War airfield. Oh, there's a lovely corner. Wow. Oh, baby. With a bump. It's lovely. Oh wow. Crikey. What a hell of a nice view at the front of your house. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. We have arrived! We have arrived! This is all very nice, isn't it? Hiya! Breakfast has been eaten, consumed. Rather nice it was too.
Take a slightly different route back to Lavenham.
Right. You are our leader.
We can go through Stone Market and out that way.
Okay. Yeah, Store Market's nice, isn't it?
Go through Stone Market, out the other end, you go through one house.
Yep.
All the way back through Hitchin and then to Bilderston again with.
Hiya!
Well, welcome back to Lavenham. I got off my bike after Andy and myself parked up near the Guildhall, and I went for a bit of a walk around. The streets of Lavenham were used as the background for the scenes in Godric's Hollow and the film Harry Potter, Deathly Hallows Part 1.
Right, Andy said there is like a market square or something up this way.
Lavenham has over 321 listed buildings, including the village telephone box.
During the war.
During the war? This is the National Trust Guildhall at Lavenham. The nursery rhyme Twinkle Twinkle Little Star is thought to have been written in Lavenham by Jane Taylor. Another interesting fact about Lavenham, John Constable went to school there. Lavenham was granted its market charter in 1257 and started exporting its famous blue broadcloth as far afield as Russia.
That's it for another video. Hopefully you've enjoyed some of this. The Suffolk countryside and gorgeous, beautiful Lavenham. Thanks ever so much to Docker Andy for my guided tour today. And until next time, people, take care. Bye-bye. Please leave a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to ding dong that bell. That way you'll never miss another video here on The Mad Leprechaun. Take care. Bye-bye.